In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly edit time off on Fresha. Whether you're a business owner or a team manager, understanding how to manage your or your team's schedule is crucial in maintaining a smooth operation. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive into the process of adjusting scheduled time off using the Fresha platform. First off, let's navigate to Fresha specifically designed for business purposes. Open your preferred web browser and type in https://www.fresha.com/for-business in the address bar. This directs you straight to the Fresha for Business page, which is the starting line for today's journey. Once the page loads, locate and click on the Login button. This button is your gateway to accessing the management features of Fresha, so make sure you click it to move forward in the process. Following the login prompt, you'll notice an option that reads For Business. This is crucial because Fresha offers services for both business owners and clients, and selecting For Business ensures we're navigating the platform with administrative privileges in mind. Now, for the next step, choose to sign in using Google. This option is incredibly convenient if you're already logged into your Google account, as it streamlines the login process, eliminating the need for remembering another set of usernames and passwords. After clicking the Sign in using Google option, you will be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account you wish to use for managing your Fresha business profile. This step is as straightforward as it gets. Just ensure you're selecting the correct Google account linked to your Fresha profile. Upon successfully logging in, it's time to head over to the Teams section. Here you can manage everything related to your team's scheduling. Remember, the goal today is to edit time off, so the Teams section is precisely where we need to be. Within the Teams section, look for and click on Scheduled Shifts. This area gives you an overview of the team's shifts, making it easier to understand at a glance who is working when, and more importantly, allows us to make adjustments as needed. Next, we need to find the schedule we want to edit. Once you've located the correct entry, click on the pencil icon associated with it. This icon represents the Edit function, and clicking it will open the schedule for modification. After selecting the pencil icon, your next step is to click on Set Regular Shifts. This option is key for accessing the schedule setting where you can edit time off. Think of this as the gateway to customizing your or your team's work schedule to better suit current needs. Now, to actualize the time off, you will uncheck the box that corresponds to the day or days you're planning to take off. This action signals the system to recognize these days as non-working days, effectively blocking out this time on the schedule. Finally, after making the necessary adjustments, it's critical to solidify the changes by clicking on Zefo. This ensures all your edits are stored and reflected accurately in the system. Without this step, your adjustments will not be applied, so don't overlook it. And that, dear viewers, is how you can edit time off on Fresha in a few straightforward steps. Remember, managing your or your team's schedule effectively ensures smoother operations and helps maintain a healthy work-life balance. Make sure to revisit these steps whenever you need to make adjustments to your scheduled time off. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, feel free to rewind this video and follow along a few times until you're comfortable with the process. Managing schedules on Fresha can seem complex at first, but with a bit of patience and persistence, you'll find it to be an invaluable tool in your business management toolkit. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Fresha and other business tools. Until next time, keep optimizing your time and resources for maximum efficiency.